Hello dear all beautiful students, welcome all to our today's session. So we are connecting here with lots of MCQ session in topics wise and chapter wise in previous time. On the basis of that way we are connecting on the chapter 7 today, and we already started chapter 7 SQ in very last class, and on the basis of that class, on the basis of that part, we are connecting here for joining of learning and enriching the knowledge of SQ and many other topics on that way. So hope so you will be connected as that important parts which are connecting with you for enriching the knowledge of SQ. So now we will go through the question. Question number 1 is, how many cartilage ring are there in trachea? Okay. Number 2, which membrane present in the lungs? Number 3, which part of respiratory system can be ensured of passing oxygenated blood? Number 4, yes, we are connecting here very importantly. In which process gaseous exchange can be done? Number 5, respiratory distress is the prominent symptom for which disease? So dear student, write first, then we will discuss the question. So number 6, I just try to make you mind in which way it is going on through, and some important topics, some important question I find out and write here. Which microbe responsible for bronchitis? Number 7, people who cannot eat solid food. Some common question but important question asking for exam. In many way we will try to understand this type of question. Yes, I have seen that many of you are joining there. Nahian, walaikum salam. Sadman, walaikum salam. Orno, walaikum salam. Yes, I have seen the Ishfaqul joining. Aisha Khalija, walaikum salam. Ishfaqul, good morning. And Jawad Karim, walaikum salam. I already published your biology result. You already got that one. This time many of you inboxed me there. I didn't get 2 copies. Taisid and Aymanul, other all is okay. By the way, hope so you did well. Your CQ writing part is very well, but MCQ is though it was very easy, but many of you didn't do well. And SQ types of question is not given there. In CQ only C and D, so SQ is very important one. Suppose one question you didn't give the answer, only for 1 marks you will skip a very excellent knowing answer of the question, you will skip up on there. So SQ is very important. SQ types of question, knowledgeable and comprehensive types of question is very important for knowing, for understanding the topics and for understanding the important things from a chapter and for getting the good figure in the exam also. Okay, so hope so we will understand as we are having a project to complete the many of the SQ from each and every chapter, and already we have completed many of the chapter, and then we will try to understand here how many cartilage ring are there in trachea. Though it is not given in the book, but it is very important and it was asked in previous time. So I want to say the important thing is, can you know the answer of that one? How many cartilage ring are there in trachea? Can you know? Anyone have got that one? How many cartilage ring are there in trachea? It is a question, important question. We know that the important question, so the importance on the basis of that parts we will write 20 rings around. That means in the cartilage ring trachea, you know, there is a ring. In this way we can see that almost around 20 rings are there. Which membrane present in the lungs, you know, around the heart and in the lungs, in between them there is a membrane and layer, that is the pleural membrane. Pleural membrane, that means pleura or pleural membrane is there. So it is very important things. Another important question, the membrane around the lungs are actually going on through pleural membrane. 1 marks question, but sometimes very easy types of question can be very tough for giving the answer. Okay, so when I can very enthusiasm in my mind that students did well nowadays in absence of the teachers, since the test on online test. But when we will be with you, in front of you, Monish sir stand or any teacher stand, that times the real knowledge can be justified. So that this planning we take in our hand, we need to understood more and more. Which membrane present in the lungs? Pleural membrane. Which part of the respiratory system can be ensured of passing oxygenated blood? We know gaseous exchange actually done by what types of things? Gaseous exchange, that means the oxygenated blood can be purified, oxygenated blood can be going on through. In which way? Can you know anyone about that one? Which part of the respiratory system can ensure of passing the oxygenated blood? We know that the very important thing is lungs. So lungs is the answer. Lungs, yes, how can? When we inhale oxygen in us and expel carbon dioxide, that oxygen can directly go to the lungs and it purifies that one, and then it carry to the oxygenated blood to heart, pumping and to throughout the bodies. Okay, very importantly this one. And number 4, in which process gaseous exchange can be done? Which process? These types of SQ types of question is instantly can have to be connecting there, because very importantly we will know about that in which process gases exchange can be done, that is diffusion process. Diffusion process. In which process gaseous exchange can be done? Gaseous exchange, we know gaseous exchange is actually denoting as the oxygen and carbon dioxide in just interchange in between them. So the diffusion process is very importantly going on through, and gaseous exchange can be done, ensuring the gaseous exchange. Respiratory distress is the prominent symptom for which disease? Many of the disease also, okay, asthma, bronchitis, pneumonia, okay, these all of them, but basically respiratory distress is properly and totally depend on and very prominent symptom for asthma. Asthma is the prominent for them. Other all kinds of respiratory disease can be the reason for there, okay, all kinds of respiratory disease can be reason for respiratory distress, but prominent symptom is actually for asthma. And you know, nowadays when the students or any people cannot having the proper good feeling of taking breathing, okay, and having a sound from there, okay, gurgle sound, and not actually it is not properly getting, and having a distress in there, the asthma. So prominent symptom for respiratory distress is actually belongs to asthma, okay. You will write the asthma if it is asking for, and if there is no option on that case, you can write asthma, bronchitis, pneumonia, anything. But if it is the option, asthma will be the correct answer. So then later on, which microbe responsible for bronchitis? We know that many of the many of the microorganisms are directly responsible for different kinds of disease. On the basis of that way, bacteria actually, bacteria is it is a bacterial disease. Bacteria, where it is found, we cannot see. Flower, oh nice smell, bacteria inside you, okay. Oh nice smell of the food, bacteria inside you. Bread, it is look like dry or wet, and having the smelling from the bread, bacteria can inside you. Go to the outside without mask, dust, particles, and many of the pollutants inside you, bacteria, okay. So many way we can find out the bacterial infection, and bronchitis is nothing but bacterial infection. Bacterial infection can directly ensure the disease bronchitis. People who cannot eat solid food, it is related with that one, my dear students. It is related with their who are affected by bronchitis. You loved solid food, but you are affected now, bronchitis. So you cannot take the solid food, okay. So this one, this is the common today's 7 question we learn here and understand. We will revise once again one time. How many cartilage rings are there in the trachea? This is the trachea. The ring are 20 ring, almost around 20 ring. Remember, very important. Which membrane present around the lungs? Pleural membrane can separate the two lobe on there, very important. Which part of the respiratory system can ensure the passing of oxygenated blood? Since we inhale oxygen, expel carbon dioxide, on that time lungs can be purified by oxygen and carry the oxygenated blood throughout the body. And then respiratory distress or no, gaseous exchange can be done. In which process gaseous exchange can be done? diffusion process? Very important question. And respiratory distress is the prominent symptom for which disease? Respiratory distress, I told you many of the diseases related with the respiratory distress like asthma, bronchitis, pneumonia, but if it is for optionable, you will write the asthma. Asthma is the disease. Respiratory distress on going on there. Which microbe responsible for bronchitis? Bacteria. Bacteria is very dangerous, so try to skip up the bacteria. And people who cannot eat solid food, I told you the bronchitis is that kind of disease. If you affected for bronchitis, your, why I say, appetite will be there, and you cannot also take the solid food on the times. So this is the today's discussion. And my dear student who are joining there, who are not joining there, I already told you that as a class teacher with all the students, okay, in the Zoom meeting we will ensuring on Wednesday the scheduled time. I will ensure you the scheduled time on the message. Okay, so you will join there. Everyone, lots of time we didn't meet, just virtually we will try to conversate there. That's all about today. Everyone, stay safe, stay sound. Allah Hafiz.